The title of the project is Analysis and Design of Multistorey Building with Rock Foundation by using Staad version 8i. The students involved are Narapareddy Reddaiah, Vaddi Naveen Kumar Reddy, Police Harikrishana Reddy. The project is guided by T. Udhaya Kumar. Abstract. Civil engineering is the most prestigious and challenging field nowadays. Hence, we need to examine everything and work accordingly, maintaining enough safety and ensuring good quality work. On any construction, it is important to work according to the drawings provided by planning and design section, but sometimes the actual site conditions may differ and site engineers should either take instant decisions or to inform the design section to revise the drawing to work accordingly. Another very important thing which should be maintained in any company is strict quality control in execution work. Working with unskilled and semi-skilled workers are difficult as they are unaware of the consequences for their wrongdoings. Hence, strict quality excavation control should be maintained to get the work done safely and with minimum efficiency by the workers. We learned about different safety measures, how to manage human resources, how execution work is done on field, and many other small things that I shall need throughout my journey in the field of civil engineering. We have undergone some phases of work which is site clearance, reinforcement, form work, maintenance, plumbing, electrical, and safety. Objectives: to analyze and design the residential building G plus 5 as per IS code by considering different load combinations. By using StatPro and AutoCAD, we analyze building. Also by applying the design practically in the site. Estimating the material required for construction. Analyzing the problems faced in the site. This is the methodology. Planning is followed by analysis, and design and estimation followed by the execution. Making of a plan. The project planning process is the main tool used to ensure that tasks are completely completed in timely manner. The project plan is the document that defines the plan that will be used to meet the project objectives. The rest are the description about making of a plan. This is the design of footings. The given picture belongs to the layout of the footings. The footing details are given below. The picture belongs to the footings, which is for the reinforcement details for footings. This picture also belongs to the footings. The next is the column details at ground floor. The picture belongs to the column reinforcement details. These are the beam details of the ground floor. Reinforcement details of the beam. A column with cross section 300 by 300 is considered. This is the smallest allowable column section when seismic behavior is required. It is reinforced with 4 longitudinal bars and 1 stirrup. The cross section described is not generally used, but it was chosen in this introductory paragraph for training purposes. This is the reinforcement details of the building beam. This is also the reinforcement details of a beam. These are the slab details of the ground floor. The given slab is a two-way slab and has thick 6 inches thickness. The rest are the descriptions of a slab. This is a tabular column which describes about the size of the solid blocks. Now we can study about the cost analysis of materials. The next is the mixed ratio proportion and concrete thickness. This is about the labor cost analysis. Here we can see the cost per day for a mason, MC, FC, carpenter, carpenter helper, barpenter, barpenter helper, reinforcement rewiring. This is for the ready-mix concrete cost analysis. The different types of grades are listed below along with their cost. Design and analysis. Details of the structure. The building which we considered for the design and analysis project is 6-storied residential building located in Hyderabad. The ground floor consists of 4 flats, each one consisted of 2-bedroom, kitchen, utility, dining hall, living room and toilet. Analysis. A structure consists of an assembly of individual structural elements such as truss elements, beam, column, slab, cable or arch proportion to resist the loads and forces. Loads acting. These are the different loads acting. Primary loads are divided into dead loads and live loads. This is about the loads acting. Dead load. Dead loads are those loads which are considered to act permanently. They are dead, stationary and unable to be removed. They have been calculated as per IS 875 Part 1 1987. This figure belongs to the dead load which has been analyzed in the Staad Pro. Live loads. Live loads referred to as the probabilistic loads or imposed loads are temporary, of short duration or moving. These dynamic loads may involve considerations such as impact, momentum, vibration, slosh dynamics of fluids, fatigue, etc. This is the indication of the live load in the Staad Pro analysis. Wind loads. Wind is the relative motion of air to the surface of the earth. Wind speed in the atmospheric boundary layer increases with height from ground level from 0 at ground level to maximum at gradient height. The slight change in wind direction within the height is neglected. This is the wind load analysis in the Staad Pro. Staad design of a beam. The given here is the concrete design of the beam. This is the deflection of the beam. This is the shear results of the beam. Number 51. Conclusion. Civil engineering is really a vast sector where we learn about new things, new method of calculation and more innovative way of approach. In this internship, we have studied new things, have seen how the construction industry functions, learned how planning and execution works hand by hand and felt the need of coordination with one another. We learned if minor problems do happen, it should be taken well care because in this sector we deal with things much bigger than us. So minor mistakes can lead to fatal injury. Human resource is the fundamental need of construction sector. Hence we should protect them, provide them with their need to keep the work going on. Also in construction sector quality should never be compromised. Hence strict quality control is very important. Previously in college we learned the theory alone. In reality, mistakes do happen and working is not possible in ideal conditions. But we engineers are problem solvers. This is what we do. Hence, I learned that it is mostly needed to understand a problem, discussing it with other engineers, respective in charge, and solve it as soon as possible but safely. The functions of the various departments of the project is studied with dedicated involvement. The execution strategies were studied and cost analysis were made to understand the difference between different strategies. This working environment and productive work has amazed me and filled me with enthusiasm. I'm hoping to learn some more things in my BTech course and apply them for the productive work and build a great nation. Thank you.